In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a deposit in QuickBooks Desktop. So to do this, first you want to go to Banking up top and you want to click on Use Register, or you could also press Ctrl+R on your keyboard. Then you want to select your account and you want to click on OK. When you do this, it's going to open up like this. So it's going to open a window where you can see kind of your dates, numbers, etc., accounts, stuff like that. And then what you want to do to delete a deposit, you simply want to either click on it and then you want to right click, and over here you'll see delete payment. You want to click on it and then OK. And then whenever you do that, it's going to delete it. Okay, that's the first way. The second one is by double clicking on it. So for example, if I want to double click on this one over here or this one, it's completely up to you. You can double click on them and it's going to open them kind of in the edit mode, and then in there you can delete them as well. Okay, so like this, I open this one for example, and I can go ahead and click on the delete button up top and then click on OK, and that's going to work as well. Okay, so that's kind of the ways you have. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.